Data of every description will pervade our consciousness. Holograms projected beneath our eyelids.
Welcome to the DCC Museum.
Hi and welcome back at the museum. A very interesting shipment came in today from Japan. It's a In Box Victor ZD-V919. We have one at the museum, but been looking for years to find one in box with the original manual and remote, which we do not have. So today we're going to do the unboxing with you. Alright, the manual. And of course the warranty registration card, which is long gone expired in 30 years, I would think. The remote is still taped in here, so let's leave it there for a second. The power cord. So as you can see, here is the remote. It's still taped. I will contemplate whether I will take that out or not. So So the owner had taken it out of the package to take pictures. The power cord is attached, so these then, yeah, these are the audio cables. Okay, so Victor ZD-V looks brand new indeed. All right, let's get it on the bench. Okay, power is on. Okay, this is to protect the door, I guess. It comes original with it. Well, let's put a tape in. So no sound. So after cleaning of the head a little bit, still no sound. Let's try analog cassette to see if audio is actually working from that. So it is on both sides. So most likely there is a problem with the capacitors, like we have done in previous videos before. These need to be replaced. Also the gear is an issue with this model. So if this would have been working completely, we might have let it on restored at the museum, but since everything we own here is fully working, we will take the mechanism out, just like with previous mechanisms in the 4th generation's recorder. We will replace the gears, capacitors, belts, and potentially look at the head. That might be problematic. And then it's going to be on display at the museum. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.